Hi, I'm Gail, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple chocolate ganache. When it comes to baking, chocolate ganache is perfect for spreading on cakes or filling your eclairs. With just a few tips, I'm going to show you how to become a pro. Ganache only needs 2 ingredients, chocolate and cream. I like to use dark chocolate because it gives your ganache a richer flavor and better texture, but you can use milk or white chocolate too. Moving on to your second ingredient, cream. You want this to simmer, not boil, because if it gets too hot, it can either split your ganache or seize your chocolate, resulting in a grainy texture with oil floating on the top. If it does split, don't stress. Either slightly heat it over a double boiler and mix vigorously, or mix in a little bit of room temperature milk, not cream, as your mixture already contains too much fat. And there you have it, the ultimate weapon for all things sweet.